A wheelchair is a type of device that allows an immobile patient to transport themselves around as a result of illness, injury, or disability. As you can see, this is a manual wheelchair. Some common injuries or disabilities that have to do with the patient being in a wheelchair are paralysis, stroke, spinal cord injuries, or MS. Before we demonstrate, we're going to show you how to unfold and set up the wheelchair for use. To unfold, first grab the two handlebars and with force pull them apart. Then, with one hand, press down on the seat to flatten it out for comfortable seating. There are locks on both sides of the wheelchairs that look just like this. To lock the wheelchair, place it up just like that so it is facing up, and then to unlock the wheelchair, bring it back into the position so it is not locked and it is able to move. For safety precautions, make sure that the wheelchair is always locked from both sides just so to prevent future injuries. Before you get into the wheelchair, make sure that the brakes are locked at all times, as showed previously. After you get into the wheelchair, make sure that the footrests are adjusted so you can place your feet on them, just like that.
Next, in order to become mobile with the wheelchair, unlock the brakes like it was previously demonstrated. When they are unlocked, place your hands onto the outside bars of the wheels and avoid grabbing the tire to prevent getting pinched or caught in the wheel. Okay. Now that you're on the go with your wheelchair, here is how to go straight, left, right, and reverse. To go straight, place both hands onto the outside bars of the wheels and push them forward in sync. To go left, hold your left wheel still and move the right wheel forward by gripping the outside bars. To then move right, do the opposite and hold your right wheel still and move the left wheel forward. Opposites are very important when moving in a desired direction. Before you go in reverse, make sure to look around you and check your surroundings to make sure nothing is behind you. And then to go reverse, hold both of the outside bars of the wheels just like moving forward. Pull your hands away from you, pulling the wheelchair back.
When you encounter rough patches or an unclear path, make sure you can go around them or ask somebody to clear the way for you. Just like Batul is with the blankets over here.
Be careful with your clothing choices when operating a wheelchair. It is recommended to wear tighter clothing to prevent getting caught in the wheelchair. Like Nuha here, her coat is very baggy and will require her to zip it up or remove it if possible.
After you are done using the wheelchair, before you get off, make sure that the wheelchair is in a locked position. Then you can adjust the footrest by lifting them up. After you are done with the wheelchair and you want to store it, put one hand on the seat and the other on the handle and pull up the seat slightly. Then take the two hands, put them on the handles and push them together, just like that. And you can roll away with the wheelchair.
Things to keep in mind.
As you can see, Batul has been using the wheelchair quite a lot sometime, and excessive use of wheelchair can cause tendinitis in the arms. As you can see, Batul has her cat on the wheelchair, but this can be very dangerous because the wheelchair can break in an accident or somebody could get hurt really badly. Therefore, make sure nobody is sitting on you or on top of you while using the wheelchair. Thanks to Dr. Sharon's class for letting us have the opportunity to make a video like this about a wheelchair for people out there.
And we hope you learned a lot about the uses of a wheelchair.
Thank you for watching.